Hi everyone, welcome to the Marcy Sites YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your antique store. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marcy Sites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available. The great thing about the free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services today. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. So let's get going building a website for our antique store. Once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. However, if you've just come across this video and you don't even have an antique shop, you have another small business and you can't quite find it listed over here, do leave us a comment and let us know and we will make sure we add it. Great. So I'm going to head to the top over here and I'm going to search for our market. I'm going to search for antique store and there it is. I'm now going to click on that. Great. Now Marcy Sites needs a few basic details about our antique shop so it can literally work its magic and create a one-page website for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, Rochelle's Antiques. I'm now going to put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, we have Marcy Sites users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and select the type of business, and I'm going to select retail for this one as I have a store and there's hours, different trading hours, so I'm going to click on continue. Okay, let's go ahead and put in our phone number over here and our email address. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Okay, tell us a little bit about Rochelle's Antiques. Where are we located? Let's go ahead and put in our address here and our postal code as we previously put in our city and our state. I'm now going to click on continue. Okay, let's get our hours set up. What are our trading hours? I'm going to say on a Monday I'm open from 9:30 a.m. That seems great. And I'm going to say we close at 5 p.m. I'm also going to say we open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We are closed on Sundays. I'm going to say over here, what time do we open on a Sundays? We're closed on a Sunday. Okay, let's do a quick review. Make sure that everything's all in order, our trading hours and our location. If you need to update it, click on these update hours and update location. But everything looks good to me, so I'm going to move along and click on next. Awesome, and look at that. Marcy Sites literally just took all the information I've just put in and it's generated a one-page website for me. Let's take a look. The beauty of Marcy Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you and pre-selected all the images that are royalty free. There's no licenses involved for those images, very high quality images, and you don't need to pay for them or download them. However, if the image is selected and the content written just doesn't quite work for you, you can amend it. So I'm going to go ahead today and show you how easy the service is to use. You don't need to be super tech savvy. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer. You don't need a huge budget for that. And there's no coding required. Gone are the days where you need to know coding to launch your own websites. So I'm going to start my way from the top and work my way through each section just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works. I think the website that is just generated for me is absolutely amazing for my antique shop. However, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and click on update section. Over here, I'm going to click on show email and start. So my email address is displayed here in the top right hand corner next to my phone number that is click to call. Let's go ahead and click save and head to update social links. My address is already located here in the top left hand corner. Customers can easily click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps to get physical directions to your antique store. I'm now going to put in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. So feel free to give us a follow and let us know how the multi-site service is working for you. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook, and the icons are displayed here on the top right. Let's click save and move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout the multi-site's website for your antique store, I guess you could call this a teal or maybe like a navy green. Perhaps that color just doesn't quite work for you, and your branding for your antique store is completely different. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different options that are available. So I want something really neutral for this one. However, I think that really stands out, so I'm actually going to go ahead and select that one. um Nope, this one has won me over, so I'm going to go ahead and select that one. There are various different color palettes to choose from, so just scroll through them and see which one works for you. Let's move on to the next section. I'm now going to click on update section over here and head to update logo. You can browse from your device and upload one. However, if you don't have a logo, that's completely okay. Multi sites will just display your name here, which still looks really professional. If you don't have a logo, I do suggest you check out canva.com. There are a few free options available on the website that are amendable to suit your business needs, so check it out. Let's go ahead and click save. Now we can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. I think that's absolutely perfect. I'm going to click on save and move along. Now remember, again, pre-written content for you, images pre-selected, and I really like the way this looks, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you can amend it. Let's click on update section and change our text, title, subtitle, which is over here, button, to suit our needs. So perhaps you don't want people to get in touch with you, your button to say that. You want it to say get directions. Let's go ahead and click on choose link. We can link to another website. We can link to another part of our multi-site page. Perhaps you want to link to the lead form at the bottom, which I'll get to in a minute. Otherwise, we can link to an action, but my favorite one is a PDF file. So perhaps you can put different images and information in a PDF file about your antique store, pop it in there under PDF file, upload it, so when your customers click on that button, it will directly take them to download the PDF file. However, I'm going to put directions for this one so people can know how to find my antique store. I'm now going to click on save and my button is amended. It says get directions. I'm now going to head to update image. If you have any really awesome high quality images of your antique store, feel free to browse from your device and upload them here. You don't have to use the ones we've pre-selected. Otherwise, go ahead and search through the free photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and multi-sites will automatically search for images for an antique store. You can change the terms and just see what comes up. So I'm just going to search for antique for this one and see what pops up and what is suitable and what I like. So there's the image I've already selected and I really, really love it. That's been pre-selected. However, I'm just going to show you how you change the image. So I'm going to select that one, click on select photo, save image selection, and look at that. That looks absolutely stunning. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and move along. Again, another section you can amend by clicking on the update section, change the button, change the content that's pre-written to suit your needs. The reason why we've pre-written all the content and pre-selected all the images for you, we understand that a lot of hard work goes into launching your one-page website. So we wanted to make it as easy as possible for you to do that. We wanted to take all the stress out of launching a one-page website. Remember, it's only $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So give it a go. You have nothing to lose. Sign up for the free trial and see how easy this platform is to use. Let's move along. Over here, we've reached the About Us section. Over here, you can just put a little bit more information of how your antique store came to be, how long you've been in the industry, why you love antiques so much, who you work with, more about your customers. Pop all the details in over here. Your customers would love to know your story. Over here, another pre-selected image, but feel free to change it to suit your needs by clicking on the update section. This section over here, another great space for a high quality image. I absolutely adore this image. It's so beautiful for an antique shop, so I'm not going to change it. However, if you need to, click on update section over here. On to the next section, we've now made our way to the services section. This is where you can just put a little more information of what your antique store offers. Do you have any services? Perhaps you buy and sell antiques, but do you also repair them and restore them? Put all the details over here. And as well, another great space for an image. Awesome. We've made our way onto our last section of our multi-sites page. This is the lead form where your potential customers can get in touch with you. Once they've filled in this form and sent it and submitted it, you will get notified via email. You can also find all your leads over in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you over in just a second. Let's just take one last time to have a look at the awesome website we've just created on the multi-sites platform for our antique store. It looks really great, really professional, high quality images, absolutely amazing. So I'm now going to head to the top and click on stop editing. I'm going to head over to the site dashboard, and over here is where you can find the leads from that form that I've just shown you at the bottom of your page. If you have a custom domain, feel free to add it over here. Click on connect domain. If you are struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available. There's also a blog post over at www.multisites.com, as well as some great tips on how to market your small business. I hope this tutorial was helpful on showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your antique shop. Really wishing you and your small business mighty success. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd love to see on the Mighty Sites website, do let us know. Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback.